Hamilton Beach works with Alexa Smart Coffee Maker, programmable, 12-cup capacity, black and stainless steel, 49350, a certified for humans device, a voice-controlled and customizable coffee maker for your smart home. Benefits. It works with Alexa, giving you the ability to ask your Alexa app or Alexa smart speaker to start brewing, change brew strength, or turn off the coffee maker. It has a front-fill water reservoir and brew basket that let you add water and coffee without moving the coffee maker. It has a cleaning cycle reminder that displays the word clean when it's time to clean the coffee maker, so you can keep your coffee tasting its best. Negatives. It does not have a thermal carafe that would keep the coffee hot for longer. It may not be compatible with some smart home devices or networks that do not support Alexa. It may have a high price of $99.99, which is more expensive than some other similar products on the market. The price is $99.99.